So Brooke is about to drive the Fiat. Excited?
Yes.
Think you're gonna install it?
No. No.
I hope not, because you might break it. The car's very fragile. Alright, so there she is. Brooke, go ahead and stay next to her and let's see how small that car is. Brooke is 11 years old. Alright, go ahead and hop in. The keys.
Wait, is that loud?
Get the key all the way on. There you go. You remember how to start this car?
Kind of.
Okay, then start the car.
The car's already on.
Start it.
Just I don't. What do you want? Oh, is this still on? Oh
Yeah.
Is it that?
So pull that up until the car starts. Let it go, let it go, let it go. There you go. I'm gonna give it a couple little reds for good measure. There you go.
Is that first gear?
I don't know, is it?
I think so.
Find neutral and we put it back in first then. There you go.
Yeah.
Okay, just keep it in first for now. You know what to do.
Ah!
Slowly let off the clutch and give it just a little bit of gas. Give it a little gas before you let off the clutch. Just a little bit. Okay, now let off the clutch. There she goes. I wish the rest of her takeoffs were that smooth, but spoiler, they're not. Okay, just don't let off the gas very fast. Just try to do it smooth. Just keep giving it a little bit of power, but not very much. Don't turn that sharp. This car does not have power brakes, power steering, any safety features of any sort except for these aftermarket crap seat belts.
Oh my gosh.
Don't hit the curb.
I'm gonna hit the curb.
Well, here you are, Brooke. Driving the 72 Fiat 500. Okay, so I made this graph to illustrate what's going on here with how my daughter uses the clutch pedal. You can see on the left that vertically the pedal release speed is represented, ranging from no noticeable progress to literally 200 miles per hour. Meanwhile, on the bottom, horizontally, the pedal position escalates from metal to letting it go. Now here the clutch motion is plotted out, with the blue line showing how Brooke moves the clutch pedal very slowly until right before reaching the friction zone, where it's most important to release smooth and slow, where she then appears to have a leg spasm and dump the clutch with speed requiring scientific instrumentation to capture. Also shown in yellow is the influence of all my expert guidance. Killed it. Go, look. Okay. Do it again, give it a little bit more gas this time. Just a little bit.
Like that much?
Yeah, and then just slowly let out the clutch. That was great. I can't tell if you're doing a bad job or if you're trying to have fun with it. Maybe somewhere in the middle.
Let's just say
Let's stop. Okay, now put it in first. Now you have to start from first, but we're also kind of leaning up a little bit. And start going. See, now we're rolling. Here you go. This is a real world exercise right here. You better go.
I don't want to give it that one.
You better go. As soon as you start going, then you're gonna have to steer again. Easy. 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 Slow down. Now speed up a little bit. Now let the gas go. Push the clutch. Put it in second. There's second. Now go. Slow down, Brooke. Alright, so you're going to take us around this corner and then shift into second. Okay?
Okay.
Oh my god, Brooke. You're going to break the car. I'm really surprised the car is not broken.
Got enough gas.
There you go. See? You're gonna have to get real good at it. Someday you're gonna really like it. Okay, swing wide. Remember, you're gonna get shift in a second, in just a second here. Okay, hurry up and finish your turn so that you can speed up. Speed up, and then go into second. I don't know why you think you need to just keep giving it all the gas after you shift.
I'm not trying to.
You're actually doing very well for an 11-year-old. No, you're doing a lot better than a lot of adults I know, so. Forget. And it's in a YouTube video.
So, you can watch it.
I feel like she's getting the hang of it. She's kind of cruising around now. You look so relaxed, Brooke.
Sure.
And stop. Good job. There's nobody there, but let's say there's cars behind you. Hurry up and go. That doesn't mean push too much gas. It doesn't mean dump the clutch, but go. Go. Go, Brooke, go. Oh, and you're in second gear. You killed it. Okay, hurry up. Brake, clutch, first gear.
What, first gear?
There you go. You started back up, but first gear. If it doesn't want to go into first, then put it in third. Stop. Yeah, if it doesn't want to go into first, then go into a couple other gears and then go back into first.
So that's first.
Yes. All right, cars behind you. Go. Don't dump the clutch. Don't dump the clutch, but go. Go. There you go. Second gear. Go. Don't dump the clutch. That'll about do it for today. All right. Good job, Brooke.
Bye.
Now it's my turn. Nice and smooth?
Stop showing off. That's